Hey guys, Michael, Bay Area hiking guys. Give me that information, give me that knowledge to hike with confidence. In this video, I'm going to introduce another YouTuber, a guy named Ryan, and we'll know more about him in a minute. Also, we're going to talk about water safety. I'm up here at Lake Tahoe in Nevada, which is not in the Bay Area, but good place to go and talk about water safety as we're swimming around in the lake. All right, let's get right to it. We're up here at Tahoe, at all places, in the water, exploring around. So it's just absolutely beautiful. Love it out here. This is always a great place to go and just sit back and relax. But Ryan, so you got a YouTube channel called Beyond the Reel, and what do you do on Beyond the Reel?
Well, I'm all about original short films on YouTube. At the same time, I'm a filmmaker by trade. I'm also a film student at Diablo Valley College. So I'm very much into the film world with original films. One film I made this past year is called Are Aliens Among Us? It is a science fiction comedy film. Beyond that, so check me out.
Oh, yeah.
And thank you, Michael. Oh, yeah.
You're welcome.
Lake Tahoe. Oh, yeah.
Let's try it again. There we go.
Exactly.
All right.
So that's who I'm about.
Okay. Well, why don't you follow me, and we'll go a little further out in the water. We'll talk about water safety.
Sounds good, Mike.
All right, let's do it. Just watch those rocks there, because there's big boulders that step out.
So currently we're at literally on the lake of Lake Tahoe.
Yes.
This is my second time being on the lake. Last year was my first time being with him, his lovely wife Laura. Oh my God, that was last year and this year. Second time on the lake. Oh my God!
So as you noticed, I was telling Ryan to watch out for rocks. We're at Sand Harbor, so whenever you got movement, even if you can't touch the bottom, some of these rocks, and in any areas that you're going around, lakes can be really beautiful, but they can also be pretty hidden. There's all kinds of hidden things and dangers you need to watch out for. So he can bang up to rocks, he can hit them with his foot, and it would not be pretty, especially with these Sierra granite rocks. So it's always important to kind of scope out areas a little bit with your eyes, so you know what's around you. So I'll take you down below in the depths. Alright, so now we're treading water. Okay, so the other thing, Ryan, if you want to hold this.
No, I do not mind.
Yeah. You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
Continue, Mike.
So the other thing. Oh, God. The other thing is that a lot of people out here like to jump in rocks, are the young men, and you have to be really careful because sometimes you don't know what's down below, and this happens a lot with quarries as well, and you got to be really careful. I don't recommend anybody to jump into a quarry, but trying to catch breath here. So just be really careful. You know, it's always good to be smart. You wanna, it's always good to be smart and look around before you do anything that could possibly harm you. These rocks, they get slippery. As you can see, I have my water shoes on. And they might work, give you a little bit of grip, but still, even then. So, always be cautious. Okay, let's move. Good?
For being short guy, as a cameraman, know your height when swimming. Just leave short of breath. Know your limits and the boundaries. That's my take. I've taken swim lessons before. I always know your limits. Like Mike's saying, Mike's a good guy. He knows his information. Back to you, Mike.
Thanks, Brian. Ryan made a great point there. And you can see we're both kind of a little bit out of breath. Your body's working big time when you're swimming. Plus I'm getting over a cold, but so you're working a lot. You're working every muscle in your body is moving around and you're working everything, so it could get out of breath real quick. So it's important to know when you might need to take a rest. And don't try to play tough and say, don't worry bro, I got it, and then all of a sudden, you're down. Alright, let's venture on. And we're gonna be careful as we're going through here because we have boulders that might just peekaboo and show up. And we have to be careful of that. So if I see one ahead, I'm going to call out to my buddy and let him know, hey, there's a big boulder over here. You might want to be careful. And these granite boulders. Whew. So the other thing is you see the waves that are pushing back and forth. It might not seem like much, but to maybe somebody that, it could be anybody, but they can push you around into these boulders and stuff, just like the ocean would. So you need to be careful of that. Alright, so we're not going to go out there. That's too crazy. I'm not that ballsy. I'm also not an Olympian athlete. Alright. So Ryan, there is a boulder over here. Now we're going to go ahead and go deeper down. You ready, Ryan?
Oh yeah, Mike. On your lead.
Let's do this.
Spot number 2.
Okay, there's one to your left, there's another one.
Got it.
And if you're starting to cough and you're taking water like I just did, you want to kind of try to get up, raise your body up a little bit, get it all cleared out, and then back in you go. All right, like Pirates of the Caribbean over here. All right, there's boulders everywhere. There's one right in front of you. There's one
I feel it on the bottom of my feet.
See? This is cool. You guys are getting a little underwater view here. And a beautiful scenery of Lake Tahoe. So this is in Nevada. It's not in California, but it's a good place to go to teach you about rocks and stuff, and underwater and water safety. And the water's really blue over here. So you see all that we're dealing with, and I'll show you in just a second, all these rocks. Okay. So if you're swimming above them and you don't see it, it's enough to bust the knee. That's why they've got these safety lifeguards everywhere for that particular reason. And the water's already starting to push me. Alrighty, well, thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Appreciate it. Leave a like, comment down below. Always enjoy those. It's been so awesome running this channel and meeting some other phenomenal YouTubers, including Ryan, even though he's a friend of a long time. So, thank you, Ryan. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and check out the other videos as well. We got all kinds of good stuff. All right, I'm out of here. Follow me in.